Hi there. I wanted to make a quick video to explain what I've been doing with my Year 5 and 6 classes this last half term. We've recently got ourselves a brand new set of Logitech Crayons at school, which we're very excited about. And to kind of celebrate this and to make the most of them, I've been teaching the Everyone Can Create drawing guides to my classes. Now, I'm not much of an artist. I wouldn't say that I can draw, and I'm not very confident in my drawing abilities. But by using these guides, I've actually had a really great time, and I think the children have as well. Yesterday we finished our sessions for this half term, and the children made their final piece, which was a piece of decorative word art. And quite honestly, I was so proud of them for what they'd achieved after literally 4 or 5 weeks using a brand new tool, a brand new app, and a brand new scheme of work. So what I thought I would do is make a series of short videos, lesson by lesson, just kind of explaining what I did and how I use the Everyone Can Create guides to help me with that. Along the way there might be some little tips and tricks of things I found worked particularly well, and maybe some tips on how you could use it in your class as well. And my hope is that by watching these short videos, you too will feel confident to deliver these drawing lessons in your class with your iPads. All you need is to go to the iBook store and to get the free Everyone Can Create guides. There's a teacher guide and there are pupil guides to look through. And you can apply this to lots of different curriculum subjects as well. You don't have to focus just on the art side of things. For example, my final piece of my classes involved picking an adjective from a list of words and then illustrating that adjective in the style of what it was describing. The Everyone Can Create guides come with a lot of different lessons. And to start off with my Year 5s and 6s, we looked at the first lesson, which is all about word art. Within this lesson were 4 or 5 mini kind of like sub-activities, and we actually did one of these each week. So we started off with designing our own emojis and learned about shading and colour. Then we looked at mark making, using patterns and the pen tool. On our third week, we looked at doing block lettering and different effects to fill that text, like the watercolour brush and the spray paint brush. And on the fourth week, we looked at doing bubble writing, which was great fun. We pulled all those strands together for our final lesson, which then the children made their word art. The Everyone Can Create guides come in drawing, photography, music making, and filmmaking. They're well worth a look, and there are so many great ideas for lessons hidden inside those guides. So check them out, watch the next few videos, and let me know how you get on teaching this to your class.